I'm gonna miss you guys. Very happy, very happy. Yes, I felt like a new person, honestly. My name is Lachey Jordan. I'm from Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, and I work in a hospital. My smile was one of the features that I was always self-conscious about. So this was definitely something that I always wanted to do. I've been doing research all over the world for years. And when I found Myra Dental, I knew without a doubt that this was the place that I wanted to get my dental work done. The reason why I chose Myra Dental was because of the technology that they have, the techniques that they use, and just the way that all their smiles look very natural. Everybody has their own individual look for their smile. It's not all one look for everyone. It's very, it depends on your facial features and things like that and what works for you. And I love that they took the time out to, ask me my concerns and things like that as far as color, the style that I wanted, my pain tolerance, everything like that. Well, with the staff, they made me very comfortable. They, really reassured me that, that I was in the right place to get the dental work done for myself. And, just starting with the driver, everybody just made me feel very comfortable, very welcomed, and I really appreciated that. And it made the process a lot easier too. Me personally, I always tell people that, coming across seas to get dental work done is probably one of the best options because of the quality of the work, the price, it's amazing. I was doing research in America for dental work and the prices were outrageous. I didn't really like the quality that they were giving people. They were really chunky, the chunky teeth, the chiclets. I really did not like that. But with Myra Dental, they had that translucent. It really makes it look natural, and I've gotten plenty of compliments. Well, with the temporaries, they could not tell at all. You couldn't tell unless I told you it was a temporary. The temporaries were very comfortable. I could eat, I could brush my teeth, even when I smiled, it matches with the rest of my smile. The temporaries were awesome. I felt very happy. I was very satisfied, and every time I look in the mirror or see my reflection, I can't help but to smile. And it's an amazing feeling, it really is. For me, it was very nerve-wracking and exciting at the same time. When I first came, I came by myself, so I was definitely, didn't know what I was in for, but the people in Turkey are very nice. Everyone's very nice. There are a lot of English-speaking people here, so the language barrier wasn't too hard. The food's good. The hotels are nice, and like I said, the staff here at Myra Dental Clinic will really make you feel comfortable. So don't be afraid. Don't be afraid. Make that jump. Communication here is not hard. A lot of people here speak very good English. So if you feel like that the language is going to be something that's going to have you hesitating to come, don't let the language barrier be something that's, it's going to make you change your mind. I really appreciate you guys. I appreciate your patience, your hard work, your skills, your dedication. I appreciate the staff. It goes as far as the driver. Even the driver makes you feel very welcome, and you'll love it here. Book your ticket, book your flight, call them, make your consultation. You can do it online, over the phone. You can send them pictures. It's easy, it's not hard. Book the flight. Do not be scared. Book the flight and get here. Thank you so much, Myra Dental Clinic. You have boosted my confidence through the roof. You've given me the smile that I've always dreamed of, and I really, really appreciate it. Thank you. Bye.